Hello everybody, welcome to my what I eat in a day when I'm working video, and it's vegan of course, and let's get on with it. So in my breakfast protein shake smoothie thing, I will put in some bananas, oat milk mixed with soy milk. I use pretty much any vegan milk that I have in the fridge. I don't really mind what I use. I don't really have a preference. I like to mix them. Sometimes I mix oat and almond, sometimes I mix oat and soya, but it really doesn't matter. The end result is pretty much always the same. And then just under 1 scoop roughly of this really nice vanilla protein powder that I got online. And then the final ingredient today was oats, just a couple of spoonfuls, just to get a bit more slow release energy in there. Blend it all up and take it with me to work on the bus because I have a pretty long commute. Wiggle it about a bit, make sure it's all good. And there you have it, there's my breakfast, and I'll take that on the bus with me. So I will drink that on the way, it'll get me started for the day, keep me going until I have a snack at work. So at work, about mid-morning, I grabbed the Innocent smoothie from the day before that I bought, and with that I had a cocoa oat protein flapjack from Trek. Quite a lot of protein in this video, I must say. I don't normally overload on the protein, but it just so happened that I had a protein shake and then another protein smoothie and then a protein bar, but generally I don't really go too hard on the protein. So for dinner, which was around 6:30, I had some spicy bean burgers, which I just popped in the oven, with some white tortilla wraps and some shredded iceberg lettuce, topped off with just a little squish of this honey barbecue sauce, which is really nice. Just wrap it all up and makes a really protein packed tasty little dinner. Really easy, really simple, gets you full up and it gets you what you need. Yeah, if I had more time and it wasn't so bloody hot, I would make something much more elaborate, but yeah, it is dire at the moment. And for a drink, I made a little concoction of some ice and this really delicious magnificent mango from Innocent Smoothies. It's mango and passion fruit. I topped it off with some apple juice and a straw. It is good. Yummy yummy. I just grabbed a chocolate pot from the fridge. It's from Alpro. It's just like a chocolate kind of dessert thing. I don't really know what it is, to be fair, but it tastes really nice. Yeah. Hey guys, so that was my what I eat in a day while I'm working. I leave at 8 o'clock in the morning, I get back at 6, so I don't really have a lot of time to make something elaborate. Therefore, it has to be easy and quick, and at the moment, least effort because it's so hot where we are. I have never seen a summer like this in my 24 years of life. As you can see, I'm shiny. So I hope you enjoyed and it gave you some insight into how we eat in this household. See you in the next video, guys. Bye!